changing small letters to uppercase in Excel can be a little tricky as compared to most spreadsheet softwares, but once you discover its hidden powers, you should have no trouble making those lowercase characters to uppercase characters in Excel. So let me show you how to change small letters in Excel or lowercase letters in Excel to uppercase letters. So it is very simple. As you can see here in my Excel spreadsheet, I have a list of letters with lowercase. As you can see all of them here. So I want to change this letters list to uppercase. Now that is very simple. I'll use a function. So let me bring my on-screen keyboard. So what I'm going to type, I just type on this cell the equal sign like that. Then I start typing upper. So I select the best match here, upper. It says convert a text string to all uppercase letters. So select that, double click it like that. Then we are now going to select the text that we want to convert to uppercase, which is this one on B2. So Harrison, select that, then close the bracket. Let me close using the on-screen keyboard. The bracket like that, then I click enter. So as you can see, it is converted to uppercase. This lowercase is converted to uppercase. Now to fill the others, because I used a function to fill the other cells, so what I'm going to do is just hover my mouse here. As you can see this plus sign, double click it, and the other cells are now filled with the uppercase. So as you can see, all of them have the uppercase like that. When you click on Harrison here, as you can see on the formula bar, there is a formula shown. But in case you don't want to see the formulas, you want just the values only, you can as well do that. What you're going to do is just select all of them, right click your mouse, click here on copy, then click on the first cell, then come here on the home tab, click here on the paste drop down menu, then come here on paste values here, then click here on the first one which says values. So click that. So then you can click outside. So as you can see now, our uppercase have values only, they don't have any function. So that is it. That is how you can convert lowercase characters to uppercase characters in Excel. That's all I have in this video, and if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my future videos. Thank you for watching, and you are always welcome in my channel.